Headphone users, be aware. Loud noises.
Your status report, the truck has almost made it across the slope now.
Oh my god, yes.
Oh god! Rocket launcher!
Rocket launcher up the hill. Right now, Deco is trying to
What the?
Code red, I think saying nobody
nowhere to go.
answers and
Copy that. Which parts of the compound are you in over?
I think there's some kind of
Oh.
attachment.
Oh god, George just collapsed right in front of me.
Oh, shit.
Holy! Oh no!
Do you want to get his torso? Oh, get his torso.
No, I can't. I have to transfer blood first. Otherwise he's gonna die.
Where's the medic?
I'm in the back.
I'll try, but we're under heavy fire.
This is Katana medic to platoon medic over.
I copy, over.
The other side of the bridge, over.
I need stitches to my left arm so I can go fight.
Jesus Christ. Why do you need me to bandage you? Don't you have your own bandages?
I don't, bro. It's keep popping.
Can I get some stitches, please, by the way? Wait, if I CPR, then you stitch. Does that work?
I don't know what you want me to do if we keep opening. I can't sit correctly.
Jesus, this is absolute bonkers. Okay, your heart rate is up.
Okay, I don't have anything else to bandage.
Alright, you can remove those tourniquets from Jura. I'm stitching him.
Okay.
I don't know, mate.
How's Philo doing?
Bilo has a heart rate. He'll be up in a second. No, I'm just checking Jura out. No heart rate, great.
There's still enemies inside. I killed 3 already.
Shit, you got hit. You got hit, I'm bandaging you.
Alright, thanks.
Help me. I can't. It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Oh.
Miro? It doesn't work either.
Oh god, my screen is turning gray.
Oh, it's working.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna give blood to myself, so I don't die here.
Yep, I think I'm bandaging you.
Oh damn. Okay.
Hey, I got you. Stitch. Does Jer need CPR?
Can you perform CPR on Jer, if you can?
Yo, Ronnie, where the fuck are you?
Yep.
I need to tend to myself. Oh my god, 35 seconds. Jeez. Ronan, fall back to the convoy.
There is no more Ronin.
Come back.
Other than me. Yeah, but maybe you.
Yo, fall the fuck back! Fall the fuck back! Get all of them! Get all of them! Fall the fuck back! Pick them all up and fall back.
I'll carry him. We're carrying these injured back to the convoy. Get out of the way!
Alright, nice. Infantry's taking a lot of casualties, you haven't been able to push too far up because of the enemy.
Yeah, Zusi, just put him inside the vehicle. I'll handle the rest. Oh, first you have to drop them. Then you go to interactions, load the patient. They should be in now.
Self actions. Wait, how?
Hello. I'm back. Hi, Milo.
Interactions.
Oh, Milo is not okay.
Load pass.
Okay, Jur. Okay, I think Jur is going to make it. Jur is going to make it.
Pilot
Yeah.
inside, dude. I believe pilot inside. I want to believe
I
pilot
don't think
inside.
we have commander.
Yeah, Bilo is here. Bilo is here.
Yeah, but I don't see the team Ajar, our commander.
Yeah, Jur is here too. Jur is here too.
Everybody?
Oh yeah. Jer, what about the truck?
What truck? Oh, the truck is behind us.
Yeah. We'll take it or leave it for others.
What the fuck? Where did Jur go? Is he alive?
He's here.
Oh, nice.
Hello. Does Mark?
Bilo. Bilo.
Jer,
Pilot should be inside the
why
car.
did you down?
Oh,
I need you. Oh wait. Still. Why did you have a fucking mine?
Yeah, I have an option to put him in the body bag.
Don't do it.
Wait, why is Jur outside?
Because he's down.
Why did you take him out? I was taking care of him.
I don't know.
Jesus
Take him
Christ.
out. I don't take him out, so. What the fuck are we doing? I don't know.
People are probably gonna be
Guys, just freaking pull security and let me do my job.
Okay.
Alright, 250 more.
Deca, how you doing?
I'm doing fine. Bilo is just having difficulties waking up. I'm pretty sure he'll be fine.
Hey, Deca, I already wanted to say thank you so much for your help. Like, Jesus Christ, without you, so many people would have died.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Like, people maybe not say it enough, but thank you. Really, we appreciate it.
No problem, but when I saw that you were down and Bilo was also down, I was wondering the rest of the Ronin was just gonna run rampant. Yeah. No need to salute me. Oh, hey. Hey.
Got another one?
You can just... I'll do this. Oh my goodness, that's... Oh boy.
Well, we got everyone here pulling security for the cargo, so... For now, we're just waiting.
This town is being a very big pain in the ass.
Can we not just, like, call in an airstrike or something?
you guys could stop forward, right?
Large amount. That's pretty a lot. I'm gonna transfer 1,000.
Yeah, I found a lot of fucking enemies in the front houses.
Right next to the bridge, by behind this.
You got shot in the head, so I guess you have no heart rate. No, you don't. CPR. I'm gonna do the CPR. I'm gonna do the CPR one more time. Actually, I'm gonna check your pulse first.
You can actually wake up from a coma. Hey, Deco.
Hey.
Thank you for saving me.
No problem.
Knife their enemy.
Okay.
Have you been out? 10 minutes?
What? I don't know.
Yeah, you've been out for pretty much a
We're
while.
still stuck here clearing out this town. We can't move
I've
past
had
it.
time to play
I know,
almost the
just
entirety of
listen to
Another One
the
Bites the Dust in the last few minutes.
Yeah.
from the east. Great.
I'll tend to myself a little too. Roddy will be fine. I just need to wait for him. I just need to wait for the blood to transfer.
Avalanche has commandeered a Ion Fenric.
Squad lead, moving out with Staff Sergeant Nerky.
Copy
We'll go rescue 2 guys.
Aye.
Jeez, Roddy.
What now? my name?
No, I didn't. No. I just said that he took a lot of shots everywhere.
Oh, you're talking to Roddy, okay.
I was talking to Rowdy, yes, even though he
Yeah,
can't.
I'll let you do your job.
If that heart rate is not gonna drop, I'm not gonna be able to transfer epi.
If you need someone to like CPR, if needed, let me
No,
know. I'll just stay here with you.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, run and keep up the good work, keep securing it all, doing amazingly.
Platoon medic to Katana, do you copy? Platoon medic to Katana, do you copy?
Copy. Send it.
How is your team doing? Give me a set rep.
No info. Probably everyone is dead. Nobody's responding to me.
Go base.
Okay, that was some friendly fire.
Fuck.
Whole team just split apart and ran their own ways. I've got info that two guys are
I'm
down,
going to check up
probably
on
dead.
the troops. If you need help, just radio me.
Copy.
I have no idea what happened to the rest.
Alright, copy that. Go find them, and if you find them, radio me via medical net. Over.
I can repeat. You
Go search for your team, and if you find them, let me know as soon as possible. How copy?
good copy.
The pulse is still not low enough. God damn it.
Nah, can you get whoever's playing the music to stop because it's on the radio?
What's up, Bezzy?
Apparently there's someone playing a loud
Welcome back, Rowdy.
through the radio. That tells me
Back indeed.
Yes.
what's going on there.
Yes, you made it. Deco is a fucking guardian angel. He saves everyone.
Thank you, Decker. Fun fact, that's what happens
No
when
problem.
you spray with half a mag of a stone LMG. It tends to hurt.
Base is clear.
You
I
think
it's
so?
the west now, that
Ah, yes.
Copy.
been crazy ass fog on a place that isn't even marked on map as like, you know, a base we should be assaulting.
Samurai, this is Ronin with message over.
We're going to go to the cargo delivery point at Carmen. It's going to be a long ride, so strap yourselves in, boys.
It's not gonna be long, it's gonna be full of firefights and ambushes.
Hi.
Alright. I'm just gonna settle in now for another 10-minute coma.
Ah, yes. Very nice.
This time I'll just play
on my
music
phone
from the
waiting
beginning.
for
Maybe I'll
We
get
do
through a
love
10-minute
comas.
song.
Nobody's gonna die on my watch. I'm a platoon medic for a reason.
Well, Daco, yes, I didn't die, but I was out for 10
Do you actually have
minutes.
a code name, Deco, or not?
Wait, what did you say? Oh,
Do you have a code name or not?
code name? Well, I usually refer to myself as a platoon medic because, yeah, according to logs, I am always on the log, and I don't know if I should refer to myself as a samurai medic or a platoon medic.
Well, I mean, technically he's
call
just the
yourself-
number
Call
one
yourself
medic,
guardian
right?
angel. That's fucking
Yes.
Jesus. You have saved so many lives. You should be a god.
I was about to make a reference, but I doubt anyone would get it.
Which one? Like from Warhammer? or
Just
something?
something related to mythology, actually, or history.
Go
That
ahead.
makes... They should call Daco Asclepius with his talent.
Sclepius?
He was a mythological Greek doctor who could bring the dead back to life.
Exactly.
Mythological
Yeah,
Greek doctor.
Did I hear something about necromancy?
Necro.
Not necromancy.
That sounds like necromancy to me. bringing the dead
Necromancy
back.
isn't the same because with necromancy you're not really yourself when you get resurrected, you know?
You just get a soul. That
You're
soul is
basically a
faster,
shell.
Yeah.
Like because the necromancer brings back zombies and shit like that. It's not like resurrection in the conventional way.
You would call that zombies, right?
Oh, okay.
Shot fired.
She's
Oh,
desync.
desync.
Let's
shit.
just let the others have. Oh shit! What the fuck?
Well, that's
What is
big
happening?
desync.
Oh, no,
Massive
no, no,
desync.
Drive back.
What the fuck? Oh fuck!
Oh my god.
What the fuck is happening?
We just parked. Now we're in reverse. I think someone just the game died.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh, why did someone just walk in front of us? Just watch that fly over. What the fuck was that?
What the fuck? Oh, there are two APCs.
Oh fuck.
I'm gonna go for it. Cover me.
Alright, yes sir.
Oh fuck! Shit! I forgot to equip earplugs. Back blast clear. Oh, you have no ammunition. Fuck, I'm going back in again.
My friend, I need stage.
Copy.
I think it's my left leg. Let me think.
Oh yeah. Stitching you. Should take 15 seconds.
Thank you.
I'm sorry guys, I can't hear properly right now. I forgot to equip earplugs.
Oh, you want one? I have two in my backpack.
I already have earplugs. I didn't have them in my ears. That's what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
And engaging enemy.
Thank you for stitching.
No problem. I still hear ringing in my ears.
Oh no.
Is there a gas of some kind?
Yeah, my vision was getting all blurry when I approached that tree, so I assumed there was gas. Tear gas with some tear
I
gas.
was right next to you and I'm fine. I don't have gas mask on, so I don't know what the fuck is going on.
User disconnected from your channel.
Yeah, Daka was gonna die, I think, because he's in critical state and there's a decent.
I did inhale gas, yes, but I feel fine.
I mean, you got injured in the arm, torso, head, and you've lost critical amount of blood.
What?
Yeah.
I don't see anything on my screen.
I see that you've lost critical amount of blood and bleeding from one limb and two.
So you're saying I've lost a fatal amount of blood and that I'm bleeding all over the place?
Yes, exactly.
That's funny because I don't see anything on my screen.
Yeah.
Everything is completely fine.
Patch you up, but...
My vision's gone blurry again. It's really fun.
Wait, what's wrong?
Is there a tear gas here?
Yeah, busy. You fine, Vivi.
Oh god!